I already have one of these little grinders from China, but it's mains powered. I thought I'd have a look at one of the rechargeable ones. Usual type English manual. So let's have a see what we have in the box. Grinder, bag of bits, and a little charger, and that's a micro USB cable. Usual type of chuck. Can't see that very well, but it is counting up, and the numbers are best viewed as if the tool was pointing down. 5 speeds. What do we get in the bag? A few of these little thin saw blades, a few polishing discs, a couple of stones, a couple of mandrels, and a couple of spare chucks. A little fine one. And that one's not too far different to the one that's already in the device. So let's have a look inside. Let's see what we've got that makes this up. Variable speed, could be resistors. It's not going to be a brushless motor, it's going to be brushed. Let's take it apart and have a look. Speed this bit up. Brushed motor, a little control board, and a rechargeable battery. 3.7 volts, so it's a LiPo battery. 800 milliampere hour. Well, we've not got whacking loads of power there, have we? Right, let's see if we can get this little board out and have a look what's on that board. It's nice that the drill's got a bearing on it. It's not just a bush, it's actually a bearing. Let's pop this board out. I found it was easier just to push the little digit display to actually get this board to come loose. Okay, so what can we see there then? Well, it's not brilliant, but there's obviously a transistor in there and a little control board, and then the button that cycles between on, off, and the various speeds. So I'm going to make an assumption that it's using pulse width modulation to control that motor speed. Not hugely powerful, but it's okay for little light jobs, which is what I bought it for. Let's get it back together again. Slightly more fiddly because there's a lot of wires in there to squeeze into that case. But it does go back together eventually. You see the numbers a little better in this shot. Yeah, not a huge amount of torque. Even on the high speed you can stop it with your fingers. So there we go, get a tool. I also got a pack of additional bits. I think this was £2 or £3, about £9 for the tool itself, and I've done a short on this grinder set. So that about wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Bye.